This tutorial review will show you how to make Gamepass in Roblox mobile. So this process will be similar for iOS and Android device. So first of all, open your browser and open roblox.com, and here tap on continue in browser. And now log into your Roblox account. Once you logged into your Roblox account, it's time to make your browser desktop site. So tap on this three dot icon at the bottom right, and here you will find request desktop site option. So tap on it, and now here tap on create. Tap on the URL at the top, and from here make sure to cut the landing option. So make sure it's create.roblox.com, then tap on go, and now select the experiences tab, and you will get a default place using your Roblox account username here. So tap on it, tap on this three-line icon at the top left and select associated items. Here select passes, tap on create a pass, and now you can upload a photo for your Gamepass. You can give here the Gamepass name. You can add a description here, then tap on create pass, and your Gamepass will create here. And if you want to make a Gamepass for sale, then again tap on it, tap on this three line at the top left, select sales, enable item for sale, and enter here the amount. Tap on save changes, and this is how we can make a Gamepass in Roblox in mobile. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.